Hello guys, in this video we'll be discussing one important topic, that is young wants to adult. So what is this topic all about? It's all about the life cycle of frog. Okay, life cycle of frog. Okay, so in this video we'll be discussing the life cycle of frog. We have already discussed the life cycle of silkworm. You might have studied about that, right? So what exactly happens in that case? So basically the cell from egg transform into larva, or we can say caterpillar, okay, then pupa, then cocoon, right? This is basically the life cycle of what? Silkworm. Now here we'll be discussing about the life cycle of what? Here we'll be discussing about the life cycle of frog. And what happens? What exactly happens? First, eggs are formed. First stage is eggs. Then it forms early tadpole. Now, what is tadpole? Tadpole is nothing but we can consider it as larva stage, early larva stage. Tadpole we can consider it as what? Larva only. Okay. Now, next is late tadpole. That means after developing certain stages. Okay, after developing larva, it gets developed, right? That stage is nothing but late tadpole. Then adult frog is formed. A simple life cycle. Egg, early tadpole, late tadpole, and adult frog is formed. Now, here one important point you have to remember. What is that important point? Here one term comes, that is metamorphosis. What is this metamorphosis? Metamorphosis, important term. So it's basically what? It is nothing but the transformation of larva into the adult. Transformation of what? Larva into adult. So this basically means larva into adult through drastic changes. Drastic changes means see, it gets developed. So basically here developing, see, early tadpole, then late tadpole. So from here, early tadpole, that means the larva stage, and the developing, this transformation from here to here, drastic changes happens. That means from the early tadpole to the, we can say, adult frog. That means the larva to the adult frog, right? Larva to the adult, through which drastic changes happens. Like after this change, like we can say, try to jumping and all. In case of, it will be able to see, it will be, the adult frog will be capable of what? Jumping, swimming and all, right? So that is nothing but what we can say, drastic changes happens, right, from the larva stage to adult frog. This changes through, so basically metamorphosis means morphosis. Metamorphosis means the change, or we can say the transformation of larva into an adult through drastic changes is called as, this process is called as metamorphosis. So we have discussed about the life cycle of frog, right? So it's a simple life cycle from egg, early tadpole. Tadpole means larva only. In the late tadpole, that means it is developing, and it at last it will form adult frog. That's it.